What happens if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Not slowed down, just stopped. The results would be catastrophic. Let's rewind reality. The Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's faster than a bullet train. We barely notice it until it stops. If Earth stopped suddenly, everything not nailed down would launch eastward. Buildings, oceans, and you, flying at 1,670 kilometers per hour. The atmosphere would keep moving too. That's a 1,670 kilometers per hour wind slamming into every continent. Goodbye, cities. Tsunamis would sweep across the globe. The oceans, no longer held by centrifugal force, rush toward the poles. The equator would shrink, and water would flood toward the poles. Coastal cities in the north and south would vanish. And the days? Now they last a year. One side of Earth bakes in sunlight, the other freezes in endless night. Plants would die, crops would fail. Photosynthesis needs regular light, not a 6-month oven. And gravity? You wouldn't weigh more, but the lack of spin means no centrifugal boost. You'd feel just a bit heavier. The magnetic field would disappear too. Without the spin, Earth's core can't generate it, and radiation gets in. Satellites? Gone. They rely on Earth's rotation to stay balanced. Expect a cascade of falling tech. Animals? Confused. Migratory birds lose their way. Circadian rhythms? All messed up. Wind patterns collapse. Weather stops flowing. Deserts expand. Some places drown in rain. Others stay bone dry. Ocean currents break. No rotation means no circulation. Entire ecosystems collapse. And time zones? Useless. The whole planet has sunrise and sunset just twice a year now. Imagine a sunrise that takes months. Sunlight would crawl across the sky like a lazy spotlight. And night? Just as long. 6 months of darkness? Not great for solar panels. Or your mood. Would we survive? Maybe, but only in a narrow twilight zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Cities would migrate. People would have to follow the habitable band. Always on the move. Eco-ending? Maybe. But hey, silver lining. No more jet lag. But animals, plants, most wouldn't make it. Ecosystems depend on Earth's rhythm. Weather patterns would collapse. Forget gentle breezes. Think giant storms or dead calm. Oceans would drift. Some coastlines would vanish. Others would flood. So what if Earth stopped spinning? We'd still have gravity. But life would be weird. If you enjoyed that, go subscribe. If you didn't, blame physics.